Good morning, friends. Today is January 6th, 2021. Please write the date and number corner at the top of your paper. Press pause if you need more time. Alrighty, next to number 1, we are going to write the equation, number tree, story, picture, and answer, all for our card. Okay, so I'm going to flip over today's card. Next to number 1, please write exactly what you see on the card. Box plus 3 equals 6. Press pause if you need more time. Alrighty, so we have the equation. They just gave us the equation. Now you're going to draw a number tree to match that equation, still right by number 1. Press pause if you need more time. Now you're going to write a story and draw a picture that would match. So again, we don't have a topic, so you get to choose your topic, but your numbers have to match the equation and number tree, and your picture will have to match as well. Press pause if you need more time. Then you're going to write your answer with the label. Now, you chose the topic or the label. So if you chose to draw about cars, your label would probably be cars. If you chose to write about my favorite snack, ice cream, maybe your label would be ice cream cones. So again, the label is going to be different. The answer is going to be the answer that would have been in the box. That's not always the sum or the total. It is where the box is in the equation. Okay? Press pause if you need more time for number 1. Alrighty, friends, we are now on number 2. For number 2, you are going to draw 2 different coin collections that have a total of 48 cents. So again, typically for number 2, we would be adding to our collection and drawing what we have. That doesn't work on these Wednesdays. So instead, I'm going to give you a new total, and you are going to make 2 different coin collections. So one way to make 48 cents, and then a different way to make 48 cents. Press pause if you need more time. Now we are on to number 3, and this is something you know well, representing numbers. Today you are representing the number 64. Please write an addition equation that equals 64, a subtraction equation that equals 64, tally marks, coins that have a value of 64 cents, and your 10 sticks and 1 blocks to show 64. Press pause if you need more time. All right, now we are on number 4, and today you are going to write equations that equal 3. Your goal is to write 3 equations that have a sum or total of 3. We are focusing on addition equations. So again, 3 addition equations that equal 3. Press pause if you need more time. And number 5, we are writing our numbers backwards, and today we are writing our numbers backwards starting at 101, and we are counting backwards to 76. Again, press pause if you need more time. Good luck today, friends. You will rock this.